Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Maria who had a dream of becoming a successful entrepreneur. She had a passion for baking and had always dreamed of opening her own bakery. Maria knew that starting a business was no easy feat and that it would take a lot of hard work, dedication, and persistence to achieve her goal. However, she was determined to make it happen. At first, Maria was motivated by external factors, such as the promise of financial success and the admiration of others. She worked tirelessly day and night, but soon found herself feeling burnt out and unmotivated. She began to question whether her dream was really worth all the effort. One day, Maria stumbled upon an article about the importance of intrinsic motivation. The article explained that when people are motivated by internal factors, such as personal fulfillment and satisfaction, they are more likely to achieve their long-term goals. Maria realized that she needed to shift her focus from external rewards to internal satisfaction. She began to take pleasure in the baking process itself, rather than just the end result. She set small, achievable goals for herself each day and celebrated her progress along the way. Over time, Maria's baking skills improved, and she began to feel a sense of fulfillment that she had never experienced before. She was no longer motivated solely by external rewards, but by the joy of creating something that she was proud of. Eventually, Maria did achieve her goal of opening her own bakery, but it was her newfound love of baking and her intrinsic motivation that kept her going, even during the toughest times. She realized that it wasn't just about the destination, but about the journey as well.